A major accident has occurred here in State Road 7 and Prospect Road, South Florida, North Lauderdale. Apparently, a black sedan Mercedes-Benz was traveling south on State Road 7 when it came in contact with a white Nissan crossover. Unfortunately, both cars were totaled, badly damaged. As you can see, the front ends have been eaten up by each other from the force of the impact. Well, the Mercedes-Benz has ran into the bushes and the curb of the sidewalk, the intersection, and the Nissan, well, left, and the driver is being treated by the EMS. As you can see on site, police have closed this road for the moment, and as what we see, there is even a wheel hub assembly flown about 50 feet left of the impact where the Mercedes-Benz is at. Rims are cracked, CV axles are blown, control arms nowhere to be found. The door passenger has been completely destroyed and obliterated by the impact of the Nissan, and as you can see, airbags have been deployed, saving both drivers. No one has been injured. The driver of the Mercedes-Benz is collecting his artifacts before it gets towed to a salvage yard. My name is John Gustavo, reporting from North Lauderdale, Prospect Road, and State Road 7, South Florida.